Good day, greetings, bonjour. So, I need help. I do. It's loose. Now, I know this may not seem very important to those unskilled in boarding. Those who are, check me out. I like that. I appreciate that. Now, excuse me. I need to tighten this. Tighten this. You see how little the screw is? Actually, it's not a screw. It has a washer and a nut. Yeah, it has a nut and a washer. Why this is so important? No, I'm not trying to pull off any 920s and 900s or airwalks right now, but I'm gonna show you real quick. Having that loose makes it hard to with the board, you know? So hold on. See? So if anybody knows any technical sizes or where I could get the little wrench from, or any ideas, I've tried it about 2 or 3 times to tighten it. I'm gonna keep attempting, but if anybody has any ideas, you let me know. It's like I want to say like about 1 millimeter. Yeah, it's about 1 millimeter size that I need to tighten it. Until next time. Oh, by the way, if you like any of my content, like, subscribe, comment, things that I guess you're supposed to do. I don't mind getting the views yet. I'm not getting any responses. So I shall wait.